Model ASM pumps are single-stage double-suction split-volute casing centrifugal pumps. It used liquid transportation for water works, air conditioning, circulation, building, irrigation, drainage pump station, electric power station, industrial water supply system, firefighting system, shipbuilding, and so on. ASN type is heavy-duty type. It can be equipped bearing cooling and the temperature for the pump casing. Joint development designed by Flow and Draco's Pump of Singapore. High-efficiency hydraulic design, single-stage double-suction impeller, double-bearing support structure. It used for pure, slightly polluted and aggressive liquid with a viscosity of up to 150 毫米 RS, solid particles less than 2 毫米. If you want to know more about our products, please contact us anytime. We hold an interdisciplinary professionals and practical experience of technical team, including 2 doctoral supervisors, 1 professor, 5 senior engineers, and more than 20 engineers so that we could solve your problems professionally.